In the Yoga Vasistha, sage Vasistha tells Rama that the world is Maya, an elaborate illusion so convincing that even the gods mistake it for truth. Today, as AI-generated deepfakes flood social media, we face a digital Maya where seeing is no longer believing.
आर्या जी, philosophical बात तो ठीक है, but this isn't some cosmic illusion. This is Mark Zuckerberg's algorithm showing people fake videos of politicians saying things they never said. Election interference, misinformation, scams. Very real consequences, boss.
Precisely why the ancient wisdom matters, KAAL. In the Mahabharata, Krishna created the illusion of sunset to help Arjuna kill Jayadratha. Strategic deception for a purpose. But when Maya becomes democratized, when anyone can manufacture reality, Dharma itself collapses.
But Krishna was fighting a war for righteousness. These tech bros are fighting for quarterly profits. OpenAI releases tools, says use responsibly, then watches teenagers make revenge porn and politicians weaponize fake news. Where's the dharma in that business model?
You're right. The problem isn't the illusion itself, it's who controls it and why. Ancient kings had court magicians to create spectacles. Today's magicians are engineers in Bangalore and Silicon Valley, but they serve shareholders, not society.
And bhai, at least in mythology, there were rules. Rishimunis who could see through Maya. Who's our rishi today? Some fact-checker making 30,000 rupees a month trying to verify 1,000 videos per day. System high-rigged hai.
Which brings us back to Vasistha's core teaching. The solution to Maya isn't better illusions, it's Viveka, discernment. In ancient times, only the spiritually trained could pierce the veil. We never imagined a world where everyone needs the training just to scroll through breakfast.
So basically, we've built a technology that requires the wisdom of a sage to navigate, but we are giving it to everyone with a smartphone. Classic human move: invention first, consequences later.
The tragedy is that we've automated Maya but not Viveka. We can generate infinite illusions at zero cost, but truth still requires effort, attention, discernment, resources nobody wants to spend.
Exactly. We've democratized the magic trick but privatized the education to spot it. That's not enlightenment, Arya ji, that's just a really profitable con.